Introducing the Cocktail Cloud function of Acornsoft, a cloud-native platform company. This video introduces GPU-related content among the Cocktail Cloud functions. Let's learn about the differences between CPU and GPU. The main difference between CPUs and other GPUs when using AI technology lies in parallel processing. CPUs are primarily optimized for serial processing tasks, useful for handling a single task. Therefore, multiple CPUs are used to speed up task processing. GPUs, on the other hand, are made up of thousands of tiny cores that can process tasks simultaneously in parallel. This makes GPUs more efficient in AI technologies for processing large datasets or training and inferring neural network models. GPUs provide powerful computing capabilities, but because it is expensive, efficient use is important. So the GPU gives you the ability to share as follows. MIG stands for multi-instance GPU, a function that physically divides the GPU into separate instances. Each instance divides one GPU into GPU resources, so each application uses GPU resources without affecting each other, effectively creating a separate operation. It works like a GPU and helps improve performance. Time slicing is a function that divides GPU time into multiple slices. Multiple processes are arranged by time, and when the set time has elapsed, the next process is executed. Allows multiple applications to access the GPU by assigning each slice to a different application. These features are useful when using small machine learning tasks or GPU-accelerated applications that can tolerate latency. Therefore, Cocktail Cloud provides an environment where containers can use GPU resources simultaneously. Supports time slicing and multi-instance GPU functions. Expensive GPU resources can be used efficiently. To use GPU resources, you have to have a clustered environment configured to be able to use the GPU beforehand. Install NVIDIA drivers and plugins on GPU nodes, set MIG mode startup and time slicing. Check the GPU node's label settings to ensure that GPU resources are available. You can check MIG status and time slicing. Once you have a GPU node configured, you can create workloads that use GPU resources. When selecting the service map you want to create and creating a workload, you must check GPU usage in the container settings. The GPU resources that appear at this time display the available resources set in the cluster. By allocating a GPU resource quota to a namespace, you can manage the maximum GPU resource usage per namespace. To prevent excessive use of GPU resources in a specific namespace, limit the GPU resources available to the namespace in the resource allocation menu. Cocktail Cloud provides GPU resource usage information by cluster and node through various screens. You can monitor the cluster's GPU usage, memory usage, temperature, and power, and you can also view detailed status using multi-instance GPU and time slicing methods. By selecting the GPU tab of the GPU node, you can view detailed GPU resource usage for each node. You can check the resource usage of that node as well as a list of workloads that are using GPU resources. Thank you.